Most people are still using ChatGPT wrong in 2025. If your idea of using AI is typing a random question and hoping for magic, you're missing 90% of what this tool can really do. So, let me show you how to actually use ChatGPT the smart way this year.
ChatGPT isn't the same tool it was in 2023. It's faster, more powerful, and way more flexible. With GPT-4, custom GPTs, plugins, browsing, memory, and even file uploads, this is no longer a chatbot. It's a full creative, technical, and strategic assistant. But only if you know how to talk to it. Let's fix the biggest mistake people make: lazy prompts. Typing, "Write me a report on climate change," gives you a boring answer. But say this instead: act as an expert sustainability consultant. I need a 3-paragraph briefing on climate risks for a tech startup. Be concise, use clear metrics, and make it actionable. That's a different game. Good prompts are specific, contextual, role-based, goal-driven. Treat ChatGPT like a collaborator, not a vending machine.
If you're on GPT Plus, use the Tools tab.
Need real data? Enable Browse with Bing. Crunching numbers? Use Advanced Data Analysis. Want images? Use Dolly. Uploading files? ChatGPT can now read PDFs, spreadsheets, even codebases, and explain them back. And don't sleep on custom GPTs. You can create your own assistant with special knowledge or tone. No coding needed. Think of it as building your personal AI employee.
If you're finding this useful so far, hit that subscribe button. We're building a full library of AI guides like this. Fast, clear, and up to date, so you don't get left behind.
Here are 3 real-world ways to use ChatGPT almost daily. Content planning.
Give me 10 viral YouTube ideas about AI based on 2024 trends. Code review. Here's a script in Python, check it for errors and suggest improvements. Personal strategy. I want to learn UI design in 3 months. Create a weekly learning path with free online resources. It's not about magic. It's about precision.
Here are 3 prompt formulas to try today. 1.
Act as a role, helping a target audience to the goal. 2. Break this down for a 12-year-old. Complex idea. 3. Give me an unpopular but logical opinion about topic with arguments. Save them. Test them. They work. ChatGPT is no longer a curiosity. It's a power tool. And like any power tool, it depends on how well you use it. This is ZeroKit AI. We don't just show you what's possible, we teach you how to use it. See you in the next one.